everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and this video is going to be a little different compared to the others because I am going to share with you guys the items that I received off of my Amazon wish list. Now, somebody was kind enough to purchase some items off of my wish list, so I want to share with you guys the items that I received in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items. So if you are interested in seeing what I got off of my Amazon wish list, then keep watching. All right, so real quick, I have reapplied as an Amazon influencer. I've had problems with Amazon in the past as far as my accounts, but I was able to reapply as an influencer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started up again. So I will leave the link down below in the description box. I will more than likely go ahead and just add the products that I got off of my Amazon wish list onto my storefront, so you guys can just check out my storefront. I will pin it down below in the comments as well. Now, I'm just now really using my Amazon wish list. I really never made one. I just always had my shopping list because I would put stuff in my cart and then realize I don't want to buy it right now, and I just move it to my shopping list. But I'm really going to start taking advantage of my wish list. My birthday's in August, and Christmas is coming up. And I think, just giving people your link to your wish list is just much easier if they decide to purchase something off of Amazon for you. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. Okay, I'm really excited because I'm just really excited. All right, so I'm gonna take a picture of this because it's super duper heavy, but on my list, I wanted a weighted blanket, and I finally got one. I've heard some good things about weighted blankets, so I definitely wanted to try it out. Right now, it's summertime. I'm in Texas, so I probably will not actually try it out until fall, winter time, but as long as I have it, that is all that matters. Now, with this one, I believe they have a whole bunch of different colors. I put on my list that I wanted blue because my favorite color is blue. So I do have a blue weighted blanket. Now, this one is from Quility, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and look at my list real quick to make sure. Yes, so this is Quility. It's from the Quility store. This is their weighted blanket for adults. This is full and queen size, 15 pounds, in the color navy blue plus gray cotton. So the others, the inside or whatever is gray, and this retails for $90. It's 60 inches by 80 inches. So I'll be sure to add that to my Amazon storefront in case you guys are interested. I did say that they have other colors, but it looks like, yeah, they have a couple other colors in case you don't want this color. But yeah, it's super heavy. So I'll still take a picture of it, but this is how it looks. All right, so if you know me, I am a wino. I love me some wine, okay? So the next 3 items is definitely giving wine. So I finally got the wine, I don't know how to say it. I think it's aerator pourer. So this pretty much helps to keep the flavor of the wine, especially I buy wines that have corkscrew, and I buy the wines that you twist. So sometimes I don't finish my bottle, in that day or night, and I don't want it to go bad. So this one is from Ventorio store. This is in the color black, and it retails for $15.99. So I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks. The case is real pretty. I'm gonna leave it in the case until I actually use it. But it shows you directions to prevent leaks. So it shows you what to do, what not to do. Then of course it has a little helpful paper. And then I assume this is how it goes. So this is how it looks. Very cute. Can't wait to test this out. All right, so next I have an electric wine opener. I really did not need one because I just really didn't need one. But at the same time I did. I have two wine openers, y'all know, the classic corkscrew wine openers. One of them slightly works, the other one works. But sometimes I'm just not in the mood to be doing, you know, all that. So I got the electric wine opener. This is from the Sakura store. So this is their electric wine opener, automatic electric wine bottle corkscrew opener with foil cutter. It's rechargeable and stainless steel, and it retails right now for $21.78. So I cannot wait to use this. This is one item that I'm definitely ready to use. So this is how it looks in the packaging. I don't think I'm gonna open it yet. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in the box. But yeah, can't wait to use the electric wine opener. All right, so next I have some wine glasses. They have been washed, so that's why it's a little wet. These came in a pack of 4, but I only went ahead and grabbed one because I put the rest up anyways. So I already have wine glasses. I got some years ago from Walmart, but it's never a bad idea to have, you know, more wine glasses and all that stuff. So plus I really want to start drinking wine in the proper glasses, okay? So these are from, I think it's the Pax novelty store. So these are their Italian white wine glasses. These are 15 ounce. Now it says for red and white. I had another one listed on my Amazon wish list, which is actually for red wine. So I think those are a little bit bigger. So for the 15 ounce pack of 4, they retail for $33.99. So these are really cute. These are bigger. The ones I have are red wine glasses, and they're kind of, y'all probably seen it in a couple of my videos, but they're kind of round. So I definitely wanted something different. So these are nice and big. Like I said, I have washed them. I have not used them yet. I will probably use them this weekend. See how it is with the wine in here. But I like them. I really do like them, and they are affordable. You get 4. They do have another option where you can get a pack of 8. It's a little bit more, and I think they have another one as well. But I just needed 4 because, like I said, I'm willing to get other type of wine glasses. So I really don't need 8 of the same. 4 is perfectly fine. All right, so next are these cute little teddy bear slippers. Now, I usually wear socks around the house, you know, when I remember to put socks on. I do have a pair of slippers in my closet, just regular slippers, but I kind of wear those like out, like as slides, because they're like furry slides. But I always wanted a pair of these teddy bear slippers. So of course I got the color blue because, again, my favorite color is blue. I have worn them around the house. They're comfortable. It's just back here, it's kind of like real flat, so it kind of feels weird on my feet, but definitely gonna get some use out of them. So these slippers are from the Lager store. This is the women's push teddy bear slippers. Again, these are dark blue. They retail for $27.99. Well, right now it says $27.99 because they have a 7% off. But anywho, aside from that, they have other colors as well in case you wanted a different color. I think I'm gonna get some more. Don't know which color, but I think I want at least another pair, because like I said, I always wanted these, and they are so cute. I will probably end up, like, this is a good gift to get like your girlfriends or your mom, sister, sister-in-law, whatever. Definitely very cute. So I like. And last but not least, I have 2 of these on my wish list, but I only received 1 right now. It is a eyeglasses, sunglasses, you know, organizer, because if y'all have seen my videos, I've been doing a lot of eyeglass reviews. Companies have been reaching out to me like crazy. So I have a lot of glasses. Most of the glasses that I have are not prescribed. They're just like fashion type glasses. So I definitely needed somewhere to put them. Now this one, I will have to take a picture so you guys can see, but it kind of stands up. You can get it to stand up. If not, you can get it to just be flat. So I have some glasses in here now. So this is how it looks in the inside. It's been very helpful so far because it has taken away some, I wouldn't say messiness. I just have my glasses in this other room, and they just been on the floor. So now I can be a little bit more organized with my glasses. It'll be easier for me to pick out a pair that I want to wear for the day and all that stuff. Definitely need to get another one because I have glasses that are prescribed. And I also have sunglasses, and I also have some more eyeglasses that I have to do a review for soon. So they just keep coming and coming. So I'll probably need a 3rd one at this point. So this eyeglass storage organizer thing, whatever you want to call it, this is from Juval. This is their 18 slot sunglasses organizer. Color in black, 18.5 by 15 inches, and it retails for $24.99. So like I said, I will definitely take a picture so you guys can see like how it stands up and all that stuff. But it has been very helpful so far. Like I said, it's taken away the disorganized part that I have going on in the other room. And it's just easier to, you know, open and pick out a pair of glasses that I want to wear for the day and all of that good stuff. So like I said, I had 2 on there. I received 1. I will probably go ahead and add another one because they're just gonna keep on coming anyways. Now I do have a couple of other things on my wish list that I have not gotten yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on there. I'm gonna add some more stuff, not to get somebody to buy it, but simply because I just need to add some more stuff. Because like I said at the beginning of the video, I definitely want to, you know, take advantage of my wish list. That's definitely a good way to give people gifts for the holidays, birthdays, even if it's a housewarming gift, all that stuff. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of using my little Amazon wish list. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So again, I will add these items onto my storefront in case you are interested in checking them out, purchasing them, whatever the case might be. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's something different. If I get anything else, you know, on my off my wish list, of course I will do another video for you guys. But aside from that, on my storefront, I will definitely be adding some items on there that I purchased myself that I liked, like clothing and all that stuff. Y'all cannot sleep on the clothes from Amazon, okay? I have a couple of maxi dresses and I haven't got all the colors yet. Definitely gonna get all them colors, okay? But that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.